Welcome back with another video. This video is for my audience friend. One of my friend who commented on my video that he is asking. My friend commented for two devices. One that Samsung Galaxy S17 issue we fixed, and we make a tutorial video for my friend. So where you can see, okay, this is a video, and you can see. This video we have published 1 hours ago up to. Okay, welcome back with another video. Today and is now I am making another tutorial on, yeah, also is there any working root method yet for Galaxy S26 Ultra, or is Samsung bootloader still fully locked? Okay, there is another two questions. So let's we pick one question that I already made a video, but my friend is asking something else. So I hope I can help. I already answer to my friend. Good to hear that you comment on my video. I will make a unique tutorial on each device for you today. As per my about, let's back to the video tutorial. Okay. I would like to ask something new questions. I tried to downgrade. You will face this issue also from one UI 8.02 10.0, but stuck. My device is no more working properly. Let's see. Situation based on the latest info. Root status for Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. No working root yet. Cybersecurity group DarkNavy recently archived active root on Exynos 2600 version of the Galaxy. Okay, let's see the version. Flagship mobile processor built in the industry for 2GNM GAA get all around processor node. So it means you can easily root your Galaxy S26 Ultra. However, this specificity doesn't apply to the S26 Ultra which run on Qualcomm Snapdragon E Lite. Samsung removed bootloader unlocking starting with one UI 8.0 which blocking routing custom ROM and custom kernel through official method. The appliance this applies to all regions, so your downgrade attempt hitting a wall directly related to this awesome Android root. It's a website it mentioned about your brick stock device after a downloading attempt. This is a serious situation. Here is what you can do. Emergency download mode. Okay, let's see the download mode. Emergency download mode EDL. You can call in Samsung. To enter the download mode, also known as Odin mode, on a Samsung device, completely power off your phone. Press and hold button, the volume up and volume down. Sim simultaneously. While holding both buttons, connect the phone to the computer using USB-C type. Same mobile or FM, so let's follow up the website or same mobile. Download the correct official firmware. Okay, let's see. Let's follow up. You can see there is the file available. You can download. You can use your model. You can mention your model. You will get your file. Okay, if you are facing issue with your prompt, and stuck in any steps, you can comment on the video. I will try to solve out and make a tutorial for you. Okay, and I'm planning to reveal my face as well as in another in coming soon videos clearly. Okay, you can see the countries and which versions, and you can all issue Android version supporting 16, and it's only China and TGY. TGY stand for TGY country, Hong Kong. Okay, we are working hard to figure it out. And okay, you got the official Premiere file as well, and now Samsung Service Center. If Odin Flash fails, Samsung can often recover the device since knocks may or may not have tried depending on what you did. It's worth trying. What not to do. Don't try to any of those YouTube one-click route tool for the S26 Ultra. They are almost certainly scam or outdated for your chipset. It mentioned YouTube for avoiding fake tutorials on any other things. Officially ways you can see China, Taiwan, Hong Kong, and you can clearly select the version, filter version, and you can see one, two, and open. So it's nothing available right now. You can try any of this at your own risk. Extract and zip the Samsung firmware file recommended using WinRAR or Z7 zip. Okay, download Odin tool. It mentioned even extract Odin zip file, open Odin execute file. So that's all for now. This is video related for my friend who comment on my video, and we will make another video on is Samsung bootloader still fully locked. It will be our next video, and I'm trying to purchase any camera or uh, which support unique and HD or a 4K. All my friend can see me, and I will make another video on my next with comment. Okay, we'll meet in another video. Thank you so much for watching my simple video. That's all for now.